Pore care is an essential aspect of skincare that often gets overlooked. Many people harbor insecurities about their pores, worrying that they appear large or unsightly. However, it's important to understand that pores serve a significant purpose by allowing our skin to breathe. Instead of striving for an unattainable perfect appearance, we should focus on how to make our pores appear smooth and healthy through thoughtful care. The first step in this gentle approach is to address pore texture. If pores are looking like little round circles, they're usually congested with excess oil and buildup from the day. The common mistake is resorting to harsh scrubs that can compromise the skin barrier. Instead, adopting the like dissolves like philosophy can be beneficial. Using a gentle pore control oil cleanser, like one from Anua, effectively dissolves sebum and daily grime without irritation. Following this with a mild enzyme powder wash, used once or twice weekly, helps to softly lift away dead skin cells while maintaining essential moisture levels in the skin. Moving on to hydration, elongated pores are often a sign of thirsty skin rather than dirt. When skin is deprived of moisture, it loses its resilience, leading to pores that droop and appear larger than they are. The magic lies in layering hydration. Incorporating a lightweight, nourishing toner is key. By pressing this toner into the skin, the cells surrounding the pores become plump and hydrated, creating an optical illusion that minimizes their appearance and promotes a smoother texture. For an instant solution to unevenness, engage in the 5-minute soothing mask technique. Using thin, non-woven cotton pads soaked in a calming toner, such as Suisai green tea or Hatha Labo, can transform your complexion. Place these pads on your cheeks or T-zone for a cooling treatment that reduces redness and imparts the coveted glass skin finish. This quick DIY mask serves as a reminder that even short self-care moments can produce impressive results. Ultimately, pore care is not about seeking perfection, but achieving a balance between clearing and comforting the skin. By understanding the needs of your pores and addressing them gently, you can enhance their appearance effectively. If you're curious about the products mentioned, check the description below for links to some of my favorite gentle skincare items. Remember, healthy skin is within your reach, so take time for self-care, and I look forward to next time when we explore more beauty tips together.